Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a background picture using Canva. Okay, so we are going to start. Go to canva.com. So I'm gonna say, let's create a design from here. Let's say a blog banner. Okay, so from here you can upload your image, or you can choose an image from your library. So from here you can either upload the image from your computer, or you can just select any image from your computer and then drop it here to upload. As you can see this picture. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna remove this picture background. Okay, as you can see here, I just want to remove everything here. Okay, so what you can do is to select first the image. You click on it. So when you click on it, you come to edit image. Okay, from here you click background remover. You click, as you can see, it's working. You're going to wait. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. As you can see here, this picture background have been removed. Okay, if I say apply or cancel, let's cancel. As you can see, when you cancel it, it doesn't remove the background. So I'm gonna do it again. Click on the picture, come to edit, and then click remove. And when you're done, you click apply. As you can see here, as you can see. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe. Ciao.